लाइटले चाहिँ खतरा राम्रो देखिने क्या
So right where the wedding was happening, as we mentioned, we call that Marriage Island. And after the 300 weddings get done in that same island. We are right now in the shallowest part of the river walk. We call this the Old School Crossing because back in the 1800s, a lot of people were using this part of the river to cross their horses and carriages because not only is it the shallowest part, but the bottom is actually pretty stable, pretty plain, so it was really easy to get to the other side. Back in the day, even Teddy Roosevelt and Rough Riders were using this part to get to the other side of the river. If you look to my left, all the way to the top, you're going to see a US flag. That building is a tower. It cost $3 million to build.
Oh my, Suisa? Ano yata?
If you have really good eyesight at the very top on the corner,
Oh my god.
gargoyle. And then right here, above tree level, the lighting is not on our side, but there are some very ugly things.
Oh my god.
Those are cultural. So the owners of the building, the Smith brothers, were really superstitious people. So when designing and building this tower, they decided to add
Flag.
in order to keep away evil spirits, bad business, bad luck, and even just anything bad. I'm not so sure how good that worked out because another thing that happened in 1929. Do you know any guesses? 1929?
Ooh.
The stock market crashed. Correct. So even though they paid $3 million to build that tower, they had to sell it that
Wow.
same year for only $300,000. That is 10 cents for every dollar that you put in. So my advice is, unless you're a fan of Gothic style and gargoyles, don't put them in your house. Save that money, go on a vacation, come back to the river, take a Christmas boat, get a charter. Nobody said polo, so that means we're good to go. So I think like the city, they hire some. They leave it all year round, and they just turn it on the holidays. So right now, guys, we are in the flood channel of the river walk. This is the deepest part of the river. It is 20 to 21 feet deep. So if you were planning on falling, just not here. Anywhere else is fine, but here it would be a little bit more difficult to get out. The reason why we added this flood channel is because in 1929, this was the Alamo National Bank building. The lobby of the Jury Plaza still has the original chandeliers and even an original deck. And here on my left, you can see the street. If you go all the way up the stairs and you cross the street, you would find yourself in San Fernando Cathedral. San Fernando Cathedral is the oldest church building in Philippines. It was established back in 1701. And you also find the ashes of the descendants of the Big is because this is the tallest and oldest tree on the riverwalk. It is a ball cypress tree and it is 90 feet tall and 300 years old.
Kita Nepal Gati बनाएर छ नेपाल गति बनाएर छन्
We call this the Ben Milam tree because legend has it back in 1835 there was a Mexican sniper in the very tree that unfortunately shot Ben.
यहाँ त छैन नि हाम ऊ लाइट हेर लाइट ऊ त लाइट हेर लाइटहरु
My voice starts cracking just the building that we see on my left is a Jury Agent Suite Hotel. If you look at the second floor on the chandeliers, about there. And right here on my right, we have the Esquire Tower. Opened in 1933, the very same day that prohibition to visit. So I would have really good times for them. Before it was a tavern, people say that it used to be a barber shop. But people were going there every single day and getting out with the exact same haircut. So I'm not so sure about that.
어디? 이거? 수비자 보.
The bridge that we have right in front of us is the Robert H.H. Hospital. Yes.
수비자 와우.
And then the building on my left is La Mansión del Rio Hotel.
Halo. Wah, ini boleh masuk dalam rumah dia ni. Wah. Dia đến rồi. Đấy.
Along the years it became St. Mary's.
Dia tu ayo dah.
St. Mary's.
Eh, udah lah. Itu bawahnya tu. Masa berapa ya? Cepu bani ni, tempat bani tu dong.
In 3, 2,
Oh,
way left.
Ôi, udah
Oh
loh.
my god, it's not
China.
It's not.
Pollution
That's
deh.
Hospital.
Oh my
Opened
god.
in 1930. This was one of the first medical centers in the country to be fully air conditioned. A lot of famous people were born there.
Okay.
And Oliver. The reason why it's only 16 stories high and not taller is because this is actually the fastest way to get to the elevator. You would just cross this mall that says the shop at Paseo del Alamo.
Ini kamera kan lah kan?